Hello everybody, welcome back to today's episode of Drunken Sailor. Today we're going to make a classic Prohibition era cocktail. It's got a little bit of an interesting history. Once again, it's Prohibition era, so it was first made in the 20s, and it was named after a term that was coined around 1924. There was a rich banker who wanted to find a term for the lawless drinkers of the land, and that term was scofflaw. So that's what we're making today, the scofflaw. So let's get started. We're going to pour 2 dashes of orange bitters into our shaker. The next is going to be 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. And that's freshly squeezed. You know the drill. Next, we are going to use 1/4 ounce of Grenadine. I know, doesn't look like that red stuff you see at the grocery store. Doesn't look like the stuff that your mother put in your Shirley Temples. This is homemade. It's got a lot more taste to it. And we're only going to put 1/4 ounce in there. If you want to start making your own syrups, the cocktails are going to be infinitely better. Drop us a comment and we'll show you how to make it. 1/4 ounce goes in there. Next, the whiskey. And today we're using Rittenhouse Rye. So you're going to use 2 ounces of Rye Whiskey. That goes in the shaker. 1 ounce of Dry Vermouth. Once all that's in the cocktail shaker, we're going to add 1 large cube of ice. Put the top on that, and we're going to give it a good shake to chill it down. That looks good. Now, we're going to put 1 chilled coupe glass and give it a pour. Final touch, we're going to take 1 piece of lemon peel, express it out over to the drink, give it a twist, and lay it out on top. And that, all my unlawful drinking friends, is the scofflaw.
Hello.
There should be a law against stealing people's drinks.
This is a good one.
You scofflaw, you.
Well, thank you. That's good.
What did you say?
That's so good.
There you go, folks, the scofflaw. Enjoy.